What are the benefits of a career in real estate? One key benefit of getting a real estate license is the virtually unlimited potential for income. In other careers, you may work harder and harder and never be granted the raise that you deserve. In real estate, the harder you work, the higher your production, and the more income you'll see. A career in real estate can help you achieve your retirement, savings, and family planning goals. Another huge benefit is freedom and independence. A typical real estate professional is not an employee. They are an independent contractor. In other words, you can exercise your own freedom and creativity to build the business you want. Your real estate license also affords you a variety of career opportunities. You could choose to pursue commercial real estate, new homes, resale homes, acreage and land, development, and so on. One of the main benefits of a real estate career is that it gives you the freedom to choose a career path based on your interests, focus, and revenue streams. If you're interested in a career that offers you the chance to achieve your financial goals and the freedom to build the business you want, get started by enrolling at Real Estate Express.